Nadia.
Langsing ya sekarang. Dulu kan semukan.
My reply was, yep, so it's Saturday. I really ain't gonna flex. Stacks on deck.
Enggak ah dia biar langsing.
I know what it is.
Langsing nggak makan. Itu satu sana, tuh alami bikin langsing. Sana bikin langsing.
A blind man can see that you can't do it like me, partner. I'm so sick with it, man. So